Y'all asked us to do the
Well,
in the comments.
in one of the comments, we had somebody asked, could we burp on command? The answer is yes, and that's what this video is going to be about. Another comment was, y'all thought it was a tie, so we should do a number 2. We'll do that in another video.
2 comments said round 2, twice.
So, we're going to do that in another video.
In a few days.
So, let's get started. Ready?
Go.
Go. Go. Go. Go. Okay, my turn.
Go. 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 Alright.
So, y'all have seen that. And we'll be posting more videos.
Yeah,
like
it's raining where we are.
Like fishing and stuff. But, I mean, y'all just asked for a number 2.
Y'all want to see some worms?
Number 2. Just a few minutes. The worms are dead. Don't show them.
I know. This is the boat. That's the canoe.
The kayak.
That red bucket right there is worms.
So, we'll be fishing sooner or later.
Yeah, and I'm eating nothing.
Pickles, you little liar. Eating pickles. Move. See, he's eating pickles.
Oh, have y'all heard Tanner Fox's new video?
Everybody's heard that.
No, it's new. He just posted it like a week ago. The name of the song is "We Do It Best" by Lil Fox. Tanner Fox, for reals. But I want some pickles.
Watch out, I'm about to drink it.
He's gonna drink some pickle
guys ready?
juice.
Ready?
Go.
Sit. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Alright. My real.
That's bad. Chug, 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 chug. Tub up, tub up. You gotta go tub up. Give me a straw. Get a straw.
Don't have none.
Crap. Hold this. I'm gonna go one more time, guys.
Chug, chug. Should I end the video here, David? Make sure y'all check out.
No, we're not gonna end here.
The name is Mix It Crafts. But when you go in the comments, it's gonna be Mixin' and David, yo. So thank y'all.
You fixed it. So guys, we're not done with the video.
Oh, dude, y'all look really dropping.
So what do you want to do now? See, it's raining where we are. It's like just starting to calm down. I'm really thinking about hitting the lake later on. Fish. Well, here's what we want. So instead of doing what we want next, we're gonna leave it up to y'all. Are we gonna do burp competition number 2, or something else of y'all's pick? And if we can't,
fishing.
and if we can't do it, then we'll send y'all. We'll let y'all know. But if we can, then you'll see a video of it.
Yeah, we gotta go back to the porch.
Yeah, we're kind of losing signal.
Yeah, it's raining. It's about to go hard.
So,
It's Little Fox. Bye!
so y'all let us know what y'all want us to do, a burp competition next. Or you can pick out of anything you'd like, and whoever got the most votes on something, then that's what we'll do if we can.
Or if it's a tie, we'll think about it.
We'll think, and we'll probably do a video on both. So,
Yep. Peace out.
peace. Hit the like button. Just at least get
And
us.
subscribe.
If we get 3 likes, he will eat, let's see, a bar. He'll take a bite into a bar of soap.
No.
Yeah?
I'll eat the new candy bar. The Oreo candy bar.
No, that's stupid.
Oh, there's a new candy bar.
Yeah, but that's something going to be good. This is going to make
I
us
haven't
get more
tried it.
subscribers, huh?
I haven't tried.
Okay, but this is going to get us a few subscribers. So,
Who thinks I should take a bite of soap or the Oreo bar?
Give us 3 likes and he'll take
Peace
a bite
out.
of Oreo bar or soap. Up to y'all. And
Make sure we get 350 likes for reals.
no, come on. At least get us 1 subscriber.
Oh, I got 4.
We need another.
We need 1 more subscriber.
Because
Trying to get.
if we get 10 subscribers by the end of this week, then we will be posting more better videos like at trampoline parks and stuff. But for right now, until mom's
Y'all be seeing me cut backflips here soon.
stuff like that, so
He gonna do his
give us 3
fake
likes.
backflip.
Give us 3 likes and 1 subscribe, if not more. Thank you and peace out.
Yeah, you like me.
Mick and Dave.
Peace. This is Mick and Dave. Make sure we get 500 subscribers.
No. You don't force them. You just ask for
Please.
just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
At least just give us 1 more. We have 4. We need 10. Peace out.
Wait.
Bye.
Sorry y'all had to see my shorts.